On Mars, morning isn't a time of day. It's a test that you pass one breath at a time.
Mars doesn't have to get inside your lungs, it just has to get inside your seals.
Two hours outside. No heroics.
Your suit isn't clothing here. It's a promise ray, and Mars loves breaking promises.
Boots on Mars. Sol 1.
Out here, getting lost is not a mistake. It's a sentence.
Scan first. Step second.
On Mars, communication is oxygen for the mind.
It sticks like it wants to live in the suit.
The sun is beautiful here, Nay, and it is trying to poison you.
Curiosity is how we came here. Caution is how we stay.
This ground lies.
On Earth, a wrong step bruises you.
Say it twice. Confirm it once.
Dust here is not dirt. It's corrosion with patience.
MC, we have dark lithology at 120 meters east, glassy fracture, sending images.
Sometimes keeping something alive means starving it.
On Mars, even the smallest attraction can rewrite your map of the planet.
We don't burn power for comfort.
Out here, one hill can turn you silent.
Visual scan before we cycle. Dust loves the door.
Quiet on Mars can be a trap.
Not worth it. We go around. Airlock cycle start.
The airlock isn't a doorway. It's a battlefield where dust tries to invade.
It's already chewing on us.
Notice. Pressure trend deviation detected. Recommend review.
A small leak on Earth is an inconvenience. Here, it's a timer. We don't chase ghosts when we're tired.
Forecast. Wind gust probability rising in 3 hours.
Mars doesn't announce danger. It just inches closer until you notice.
Every shortcut here is a future emergency.
No geniuses.
On Mars, the landscape isn't scenery. It's an active hazard. Turn back point set. 10 meters more.
Advisory. Temperature minus 96 degrees Celsius overnight.
The planet doesn't sleep, so you learn to rest with one eye open.
We need to expand the berm with better regolith and build a larger dust trap.
You don't conquer Mars. You negotiate another day.
The first rule on Mars: you don't win by pushing forward. You win by staying alive long enough to try again. On Mars, discipline isn't personality. It's oxygen.
Mars pays rent and filters.
Spare seal kits 3, scrubber cartridges 5, sealant tubes 2.
On Mars, inventory is ethics. Waste is a form of violence.
We check the sim now, or we wait blind.
Innovation on Mars isn't invention. It's improvisation that keeps you alive.
Green line only. Follow my steps.
Confirmed. Back in. Now.
Without.
A door on Mars is not protection, it's negotiation.
Efficiency is safety when your airlock is a limited resource.
We need to design an external dust shield baffle for the seam.
A small leak is survivable. A small leak in a storm is a future disaster.
Not all silence is empty. Sometimes it's something calling.
Hablock. We wait.
Every small problem on Mars is just a big problem that hasn't grown up yet.
One job. Shield the seam. 2 beacons if time.
Sometimes survival is nothing more than putting a shield between you and time.
It's working. Not perfect, but better.
We've got direction. Back in.
A good fix doesn't stop the planet. It just buys you minutes.
Our airlock is getting tired.
Exploration isn't going farther. It's going only as far as you can come back. Abort time will be enforced.
If the timer says go, we go.
A path on Mars is something you build. Otherwise, it doesn't exist.
Yellow zones are lava floors pretending to be dirt.
This isn't random. Something's broadcasting or reflecting.
We don't silhouette ourselves on the ridge. We side scan only.
Sometimes there isn't what you can touch. It's what you can't hear.
Mars doesn't spring traps. It lets you build them with your own feet.
That edge doesn't look like geology.
The moment you lose your voice on Mars, you discover how loud fear really is.
Muse comms unstable, stand by.
A good business saved it. It's just the closest thing to it.
Warning, filtration margin reduced. Filter capacity critical.
Acknowledged. Scheduling dirty suit staging protocol now.
Even the air you don't breathe can kill you if it clogs what keeps you alive.
Return with rover, anchor rig, and better comms.
Mars didn't stop us today. It only showed us what it's hiding.
The best mission plan is the one that survives contact with reality.
If it fails, we don't search. We grab.
On Mars, even enough is temporary.
This isn't sand. It's 1,000 tiny knives.
From now on, go on, dirty zone stays dirty. A cleave horizon can make danger feel farther than it is. Perimeter set. No forward movement. On Mars, choices aren't about what you want. They're about what you can afford.
If your body is the price, you don't pay it.
Stop. We look, we don't touch.
Cold is a thief that steals slowly until it takes everything. We don't solve it today. We survive it.
Darkness isn't scary. The cold inside it is.
Wind rising sooner than forecast.
No stops. Straight home.
Objective. Baffle retighten only. 10 minutes.
Baffle retighten only. Confirmed.
Under pressure, your brain lies. Procedure tells the truth.
5 seconds, then move. A good shelter doesn't stop the planet. It makes survival possible inside it.
Precision is a fingerprint. This one has hands.
Sometimes the safest question is the one you ask silently. It's feeding on dust.
EVA possible, but not recommended.
Go red with restraint.
Abort the retrieval now. Controlled retreat.
The moment we touch the mystery, Mars touches back.
Hands off. We back out, slow.
On Mars, backing away is not failure. It's strategy.
We observe. We don't disturb.
Reminder, return window recommended in 18 minutes.
You don't keep discoveries on Mars. You keep records.
It's still beating, just quieter.
Every return is a victory you have to earn again. Good catch. Now inside.
Every cycle costs. The trick is spending only what keeps you alive.
We need to keep the fix flexible. A habitat is a patient. Maintenance is medicine.
Good. Now we think.
Nature is noisy. Precision is a fingerprint. Exploration isn't bravery. It's restraint that lasts long enough to learn.
Status: limited operations possible.
Mars doesn't always storm. Sometimes it just rearranges your plans.
Dust is patient. We can't be lazy.
Good plans don't remove danger. They organize it.
Brush, beacon, back. Brush.
Beacon, back.
Sometimes progress is just building a better way to talk.
We can breathe. Carefully.
The difference between noise and meaning is often patience.
Every watt you spend is a bet against the cold.
Update, gust front, ETA 46 minutes.
Storm posture. Move.
Sometimes the bravest move is staying inside.
We just bought ourselves safety.
Engineering is quiet heroism.
Hold.
Preparedness is the difference between a scare and a funeral.
That's new.
A message doesn't have to be understood to be dangerous.
You don't defeat Mars. You prioritize.
Sometimes communication is not for rescue, it's for truth.
It's tightening up.
On Mars, you don't affix things. You stabilize them.
Trend improving.
After every storm, Mars counts what you lost.
We don't gamble after a storm.
Beacon online, comm stable. Exterior check authorized. We are go for depressurization.
Survival is the sum of what doesn't break.
Not a puncture, but it's a countdown.
Sometimes the smartest contact is no contact.
Done for today.
If it's a message, the storm may have been its amplifier.
We go only as safe as we can return. Winning today means being alive tomorrow. That's the only trophy Mars respects.
Treated as active until proven dead.
Some dangers shout. Others just keep time. We can go, but we go gentle.
Understood.
Even a dead machine can become a living hazard.
No cresting, no contact, abort on comm distortion. Tomorrow, we do it right.
Notice, signal strength increasing.
The closer we get, the louder it becomes.
We keep our distance. We learn.
Tools don't make you safe. The way you use them does.
Update interval variance detected.
When the starts responding.
Mars doesn't stop you. It just asks one question. How badly do you want to know?